So here you see the jersey. It comes with two packages. As I opened it, all of them comes like that, and there's a $10 coupon in each. And this is a 2017 Ronaldo jersey. Here I will show you the details. You can see the patches, and this is the Fly Emirates. And you can see the details. It's all good quality. And the Climacool is here as well, you can see. You can see it's not fake. Just and when you buy from this site, if you make photo reviews, video reviews like me, they give you cash that you can use in your next purchases. And there are lots of coupons the site gives you. And here's the number, you can see. Let me just focus the camera. And here's the name. You can see the size charts when you're buying, so you can buy for yourself. If you have any questions, you can ask me below the comments.